What if there was a way to reduce crashes at intersections, roundabouts, and on bends? A way to help drivers and riders stop more quickly. A way to reduce skidding and sliding on a wet or dry road. A way to help drivers and riders maintain control on steep hills. A way to help drivers and riders stay in their lane if they enter a bend too quickly. One that stops riders and drivers crashing into barriers, poles, trees, or other vehicles. Something that can be applied to existing road surfaces, providing a safety improvement in a matter of hours and prolonging the life of the road. A safety technology used extensively overseas and available in Australia right now. There is OmniGrip HF, a high-friction surface treatment that lasts. Its unique properties increases a tyre's grip on the road surface. OmniGrip HF, the silent saver. 15 years of Australian experience keeping drivers and riders on the road, so they're less likely to be injured or die if they make a mistake.